Before you start linking the slides, the buttons to the slides, you actually have to create the slides. So we're going to go ahead now and add in all of the slides that are going to contain the information about each one of our elements. So come here. All right, so to add in your new slide, come up here, click new slide. You're probably going to want the title and content. And then again, you may have to, if you're like me, you're going to have to reorganize this to make it work for whatever your background was. But so this first one, let's say I'm going to do my zodiac sign. So in here, I'm going to type zodiac sign. I'm going to pause so you guys don't have to wait for all this. All right, so I didn't want to make you guys wait while I did all this. So I added in the title of my slide. This would be the information that you got from your graphic organizer. If you typed it up in your graphic organizer, you should just be able to copy and paste it in there. And then I added in, for each slide, you have to have at least one graphic or image. I did a couple of extra things here. I added a border around my text box. I centered my text. I also added a border around my image. So please add some extra effort here and do those things to make it look nice. So you're going to need to do that for each one of your elements. If I were you, I would just come over here. I'd click on this slide and I'd copy and paste it. Control C, Control V. It's another one. And then I would just, you know, maybe my next one is my gemstone. Then I'd put my information here. And then I'd change my image out. So when you're done, you should have a total of 7 slides on the side here. So go ahead and add all of those in, and then come back to me. All right, so I added in all of my slides, and then don't forget to save. Again, Control S. Now we are going to make those elements clickable. So you're going to come back to slide 2 where your elements are, and you're going to click on your first one. Oops, I grouped them. If you grouped yours too, you're going to want to ungroup them. So I'm going to come back up to picture format and go to ungroup. Okay. So now we can individually add in those links. So surprise, surprise, I made a mistake. So I had to really quickly throw together a new version to fix my mistake. So it's not going to match what it just was 2 seconds ago, but just follow along. So we are adding in your link. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the object that you want to have a hyperlink on it. So after you click that, make sure you go to the Insert tab right here. Click that because you are inserting a hyperlink. And you're going to come right here where it says Action. Click that. Now you have 2 options. You can set it to where you have to physically click on the button, or you can actually set it to where as soon as the mouse hovers over the button, it will automatically take them to the slide with the information about that button. I don't like mouse over because it's too easy to accidentally go somewhere. So leave it on mouse click. And in this case, we want it hyperlinked to, and this is where you will choose what slide you want it to be hyperlinked to. So you have different options here. I usually just go straight down to slide down here, and then from there you can select your slide number. Again, yours is going to look different than mine. I just threw in 3 other slides for now, but I was hyperlinking the zodiac sign button, so I want that to hyperlink to my zodiac sign slide. So I'll click that, and then I'll hit OK, and then I'll hit OK. Now, once you've added in that link, I want you to test it to make sure that it works. So you're going to come up here, slideshow, and I'm going to hit play from the current slide because we don't need to watch it from the beginning. So I'm going to click current slide. It's going to put it in slideshow mode, and then you're going to come over here and click on whichever link you just did. I did my Leo, and you're going to want to make sure that it takes you to the slide about Leo. All right, so to get out of slideshow mode, you're just going to hit the escape key in the upper left-hand corner. Now you need to go back for each one of those, and you need to add that hyperlink to every single one of those. So again, if you forget, you'll click each one of these one at a time. Click it, you'll go to Insert, and you'll go to Action. and mine's not highlighted because it's not selected, and then you will hyperlink it to the appropriate slide that way.